Okay, so stay with me for step-by-step directions and a virtual tour of Bangkok's best, most exciting night market. So welcome to Srinagarindra Train Night Market. It's a tough name, but you can tell a taxi driver the night market near the Seacon Square Mall if you need to. So you can take a taxi to the train night market, but it's really fun and just as easy to take the Skytrain right from central Bangkok right to the Yellow Line, the brand new Yellow Line. So as I've mentioned in other videos, the BTS or the Skytrain here in Bangkok is super easy and super fun. So don't be afraid of it. Use it. It's the best way to get around. But on this day, I boarded the Skytrain at the Unut station, and I took that directly to the Yellow Line transfer station, which is in Samrung. So it's very easy to do, very efficient. Here's the Samrung station now. So once you arrive at Samrung, you just get out of the train, go down the platform, and you're just going to follow the signs that actually take you to the Yellow Line. It's really quite simple, but just follow these signs, and you want to go to exit 3, right to the Yellow Line. You know, this particular night market that we're going to tonight is a little bit harder to get to than the more common ones that most tourists attend, which is downtown. But that's what makes it special, is that it's much more Thai. It's definitely much more unique. You're going to see a collection of antiques that is probably beyond anything you've ever seen before. And it's right in the middle of Thailand, and it's just really stunning. You're not going to believe it. But also the food is a little bit better, in my opinion, than some of the other night markets. It has real food, sit-down food. It also has street food. But in my opinion, the quality is a little bit better. This market, this night market, is definitely worth your effort to get there. Okay, so you got to buy your Yellow Line ticket to Suang Luang Rama 9. So that's station YL15, and I think it costs 23 baht, which is about less than $1. Anyway, you just go through this little turnstile right here and go up the escalator, and here is the brand new Yellow Line monorail. So if you actually get in the front of the train, you can get this bird's eye view. And here we are coming into a station. So to get to the night market, we're going to get off at this particular station right here, Suang Luang Rama 9. So when you exit the train, you're going to look for signs for exit 1. You're just going to follow the signs for exit 1. You're going to go down the stairs, and you're going to follow the signs right to the train night market. I mean, it's really quite simple and fun. So if this video helps you in any way, I hope you'll take a second and just give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So here in Bangkok today, it was quite rainy. As a matter of fact, you'll notice that in this video that the rain finally went away, but you'll see that the effects of the rain definitely are on the ground. And so, people are just coming out to experience a little bit of fun after the rain today. So I think the night market will be lively tonight, but you can definitely see where it rained today. So unlike all the other night markets I've ever been to in Bangkok or Southeast Asia, this particular night market has a super vast collection of antique cars, antiques, antique motorcycles, scooters, just all kinds of things that, we would all just dream to own. But anyway, you could just walk through and experience this collection. I'm not sure whose collection it is, but there's no charge to see it or enjoy it or walk through all the warehouses and look at things. In fact, it's like totally free to just do all of this. And it is really kind of exciting to see all this stuff. In my own country of the United States, I don't think I've ever experienced such a vast collection that is free to look at in this way. So this is really a treasure here in Thailand. So this night market is currently open on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights from 5 in the afternoon until 1 o'clock in the morning. So there you have the hours. One of the other things that makes this market a little bit more unique is that the walkways inside the market are quite wide, and so you don't really feel crowded when you're walking unless you're inside like the food courts. The food courts can be a little bit crowded, but everywhere else, you've got plenty of space to enjoy this market without feeling crowded. There are hundreds of night markets in Bangkok, and while this should not be the only one you visit, if you only do visit one night market, this one should be the one you do choose. I think this one is special and definitely different than the others. So all these antiques and these antique cars are strewn throughout all kinds of different warehouses throughout the entire night market. So you can bounce between getting some street food and then taking a stroll through one of these warehouses and just look at all this great old stuff. And then you can go off if you want and get a beer or a drink at a bar, which there are dozens of nightclubs here. And you can just stroll around, just doing whatever you want, bouncing from thing to thing, which I find unique and different from the other night markets. In my opinion, this is the best one. So because it's a little bit harder to get to, it has remained a traditionally Thai market. So most people that are here are Thai. But now that the new yellow line monorail has opened up, it has made it much easier to take the Skytrain from downtown Bangkok directly to the yellow line and then take the yellow line and dump you off directly in this market. So it's a lot easier for you to get here now if you're downtown Bangkok. And I would tell you, you should, definitely make your way here. This is definitely a must-do thing while you're in Bangkok. This is definitely a great activity if you bring a group of friends and just come hang out and eat and just drink and chill and relax and explore. So I thought this was pretty cool that they actually installed a football or a soccer court right in the middle of this night market for kids to enjoy a little fun. I mean, really, this is awesome. Oh, look good. So this is a boat noodle stand, and when you're in Thailand, you gotta try boat noodles. Nothing better than a bowl of boat noodles. So when you come to this night market, be sure you come with an empty stomach. I mean, and I would not eat all your food in one sitting. I would actually eat a little walk, so you can try different things. There's just so many options here, so many different unique foods that you've never had before that are here. So enjoy this. And as I said, I think the food quality here is a little bit better than some of the markets I've been to downtown where perhaps it's more famous, but I think this market's better. And like all the other night markets here in Thailand, you also have your clothing and all your other different things other than food. But this market tends to have a bit more higher quality clothing, vintage clothing, a lot of vintage clothing here. I don't see so much in the way of knockoff clothing or imitation stuff that you see in some of the other markets. I don't know how to say it nicely, but there seems to be less junk. So I think you'll enjoy some shopping here if you're looking for something unique. There are a lot of arts and crafts here as well as vintage clothing. You'll enjoy it. So, if you have the time to walk around and explore, definitely do that. You won't be disappointed.
จะเล่นกูแล้ว
So at the end of the night, if you're feeling lazy and you just don't feel like trying to have to connect the dots on the train, getting from the yellow line to the Skytrain and all of that, you can take a taxi, which is what I did on this night. So I literally just went and got a taxi. It cost me 90 baht to get me to the Skytrain at Onut Station, which is less than $3. So my Western subscribers will enjoy this Thai parking lot with thousands of motorbikes.
ไม่มีใครขอเพลงแล้วใช่ไหมมาจับกัน